So there we are then. Looks lovely. Just making sure I've got enough mince pies to put out for Santa on Christmas Eve. And of course, don't forget the traditional old glass of milk. Mind you, if you think about it, if he gets this at every house he's going to end up with a right old tummy ache, isn't he? In fact, he's going to end up looking like this. Look at this. Good, isn't it? And simple to make in 4 easy parts. A Christmas 4-part attack. For the first part, take a large piece of cardboard box card, then in pencil or pen, start to design your Santa's face. Start with his big hat, give him a big, round, jolly face, and eyebrows, with a bulbous nose down the middle. Now, you don't have to draw the eyes because they'll be added later, but give him a smile and draw on a big, bushy beard around it. And when you're happy with your Santa, you can colour him in. Now, you can use whatever you like for this, pencils, felt tip pens, but to get the colours really bright on this brown cardboard box card, I'm going to paint it. Start by painting the hat red. And you use white, of course, for his beard, and for the furry trim and the bobble on his hat. Then streak in some grey into his beard and give him some eyebrows. Then how about a nice cartoon pink for his face? And finally, fill in the background with a light blue. And when you finish painting it, you'll have something that looks like this. Look at that. Good, isn't it? And you can see I've picked out some of the detail here using thick black marker pen. Now, OK, there's obviously something missing, his googly eyes. And for those, you're going to need 2 ping pong balls. Using a pen, draw a small circle for a pupil and then a slightly bigger circle around it. Then, using a small brush, paint the coloured part of the eye, a nice blue. Now, painting out from the middle gives a realistic effect, especially if you streak in some lighter and darker shades. Just flicking out from the pupil. And then paint the pupil black and just leave a little circle for a speck of light. See that? Just a little highlight. Then, if you paint the other ping pong ball in exactly the same way, you'll have your 2 googly eyes. Good, aren't they? But at the moment, if you were to place them on your Santa, look at that, they just roll all over the place. So, here's what to do. Use a teaspoon to gently push a dent where the eyeballs should go. Just circle the spoon to make a nice round dent, being careful not to rip the card, and make both eye sockets in the same way. Just gently push in to make that dent. Then place the eyeballs into their sockets and just give him a quick wiggle. Look at that. And I'm not surprised he looks like that if he's been up all night delivering those prezzies. And if you think he looks bad, spare a thought for poor old Rudolph. Yeah, look at him. He's got to pull the sleigh. And you can do any character you like. God, he'll melt if he keeps that up. And look at this. There's Granny. Yeah, she looks like she's had far too much Christmas dinner. Try yourself. Roll your eyes.